Zoho Bigin CRM Honest Review. Watch before using. Zoho Bigin CRM is a straightforward entry-level customer relationship management tool designed for small businesses and startups looking to streamline their sales process without breaking the bank. This CRM focuses on simplicity and ease of use, offering key features like pipeline management, task automation, and real-time notifications to keep track of your leads and sales activities. With a highly visual interface, Bigin allows users to manage their entire sales pipeline through a simple drag-and-drop feature, which is ideal for teams with little or no prior CRM experience. The platform is designed to cater to businesses that need a minimalistic CRM solution, perfect for managing fewer contacts, but still needing automation, integration, and reporting tools. Key features of Bigin include its customizable pipeline, which offers a clear view of your sales process from lead to closure. The CRM includes lead management tools, task assignments, and follow-ups that can be automated to help your team stay organized and avoid missing important deadlines. Additionally, Bigin integrates seamlessly with other Zoho apps like Zoho Mail, Zoho Books, and Zoho Analytics, which can be a big plus for those already embedded in the Zoho ecosystem. It also offers integration with third-party apps like Google Workspace and Microsoft Office 365, making it flexible for various business environments. However, Zoho Bigin isn't perfect. Its simplicity can sometimes feel limiting for businesses looking for more advanced features like advanced reporting or in-depth analytics. If you need complex CRM functionalities like customer segmentation or deep marketing automation, Zoho Bigin may not meet those needs. Additionally, while it offers a lot of customizations, they can be limited compared to other CRMs, particularly when it comes to automation triggers or advanced workflow setups. The interface, while clean and user-friendly, may feel a bit too basic for larger teams, especially those accustomed to more robust CRM platforms. Another downside is that although it's affordable, the pricing tiers can feel restrictive as your business grows, especially for users who need features like custom fields or multiple pipelines. Overall, Zoho Bigin CRM is a solid option for small businesses or startups that need a simple CRM tool to track leads and sales activities without overwhelming complexity. Its ease of use and integrations with other Zoho products make it a convenient choice for those in the Zoho ecosystem. However, if you're looking for a more comprehensive CRM with deeper functionality, you may want to look elsewhere.